Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and FunTouch OS so the steps match exactly. This avoids buried menu differences. Once confirmed, open Settings and go directly to Convenience Tools or System Management because some Vivo versions nest keyboard options there. Make sure the keyboard app is enabled in Apps, otherwise you cannot change its wallpaper. You should now have settings and the keyboard entry visible. Proceed without delay to access keyboard-specific appearance controls. Now you navigate into Languages and Input or Keyboard Settings. This is where Vivo exposes appearance controls. Select the keyboard you use as default, Vivo Keyboard or a third-party app like Gboard, because each app stores wallpapers differently. Once selected, tap Theme, Background, or Wallpaper. Some versions label it Theme and then Background inside. You should see built-in themes and an option to choose a custom image. Choose the custom image route if you want your own picture as the keyboard wallpaper. Pick an image and crop it to the keyboard area because improper aspect ratios can misalign keys. Then tap Apply or Save to set it. Once applied, test typing to confirm the wallpaper displays correctly. If it doesn't show, restart the keyboard app or reboot the phone. This forces the theme to reload. If problems persist, make sure the keyboard has storage permission to read your custom image. Granting that permission usually resolves failures and lets you use custom wallpapers reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.